Hanwha Power Systems, one of the global leading companies in energy equipment industry, has a record of providing more than 5,000 turbo compressors all around the world. From air compressors used in manufacturing facilities to technology-intensive products, such as gas compressors expander for power generation and oil and gas, Hanwha Power Systems is expanding its business area to pursue value-added products. Hanwha Power Systems compressor ensures high efficiency, low maintenance, and stable operation by applying optimized design and components, which minimizes total lifecycle costs. Furthermore, Hanwha Power Systems maximizes customer benefits by minimizing unnecessary costs through the integrated management program SmartCare. Hanwha Power Systems turbo compressors comply with international standards such as ISO and API, and also supply 100% oil-free air in compliance with ISO 8573-1 Class 0. Hanwha Power Systems eliminates errors even at the design stage by using its 3D design system, and the quality management system throughout the entire process preempts potential quality-related problems. Hanwha Power Systems' worldwide network reflects its efforts to provide tailored solutions and services to the customers all over the world. Through constant innovation and continuous growth, Hanwha Power Systems is moving forward to become a global leader in the energy equipment industry. Hanwha Power Systems.